Why any number to the power 0 is 1. Hi guys, my name is Vishak. I'm from India where mathematics is taken very seriously. Let's consider an example to understand why any number when raised to the power 0 equals 1. We were taught a rule in school but nobody taught us the reason behind it. Let's have a look. Suppose I consider a number 2 raised to the power 3. What does it mean? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 multiplied by 2 equals 4. 4 multiplied by 2 equals 8. Now consider 2 squared. This equals 2 multiplied by 2 and this is equal to 4. Now let's consider 2 raised to the power 1. This is equal to 2 only. Then what would be 2 raised to the power 0? As we are decreasing the power by 1, the result is getting divided by 2. 8 when divided by 2 equals 4. 4 when divided by 2 equals 2. Following this pattern, the next answer has to be 2 divided by 2. What is 2 divided by 2? It equals to 1. Now let's consider 10 raised to the power 3. This equals 10 times 10 times 10. 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1000. 10 squared equals 10 times 10. This is equal to 100. 10 raised to the power 1 is equal to 10. So the value is 10 only. Then what would be 10 raised to the power 0? Again, we are decreasing the power by 1. The answer is getting divided by 10. 1000 when divided by 10 equals 100. 100 when divided by 10 equals 10. So the next answer has to be 10 divided by 10, which is 1. 2 raised to the power 0 came out to be 1. Here 10 raised to the power 0 again came out to be 1. What if we generalize this for any number? Let that any number be x. X raised to the power 3, which is also called x cube. Then comes x squared, then x raised to the power 1, and then x to the power 0. X cube when divided by x equals x squared. X squared when divided by x equals x to the power 1. X to the power 1 when divided by x is x to the power 0. We know as per the rules of exponent and power that when you divide two numbers with the same base, the powers or the exponents are subtracted. So this will become x raised to the power n minus n, which is x raised to the power 0. And from this part, tell me what will be the answer if I want to know x by x. It is going to be 1. And from this part I know when the base is same, the exponents are subtracted. So x raised to the power 1 minus 1 is equal to x to the power 0, which is equal to 1. So from here I can generalize that for any number when raised to the power 0, it will be 1. This is not a rule someone invented. This is what has to be true for mathematics to make sense. You were never bad at math. You were just never shown this.